After a heavy topic like array, we will discuss a light topic. Light because it has only 2 pages in the lesson. But on the laboratory 6.4, that is 4 pages. So it is about strings, though it is still an array. Anyway, so you already encountered a string before. The string is an array of characters. Surprised? Of course not. Though a string is always terminated by a null character or the backslash 0 enclosed with the single quote. The syntax for declaring is the same, but the syntax for initializing is a little different. For example, assign the string value hello to a variable. So we have here car greeting 6 equals to, then enclosed in a curly braces are the letters HELLO, then the null terminator separated by a comma. Though there is an easier way, this is car greeting, then a square bracket equals hello. This time it is enclosed with the double quote. Don't forget the semicolon. So notice that you don't have to include the null terminator on the second type of the initialization. String is usually used in evaluating mathematical expression or parsing a mathematical expression. Also in string validation and more applications related to a string. So let's discuss about the library called string.h. It is also a header file. So at your very first program, you encountered a header file named stdio.h. It holds the standard input and output functions, which are the scanf and the printf. Now let me introduce to your another header file in the name of string.h. This holds several functions that manipulate the null terminated string. So we have here a function and the description. First is the strlen. So it returns the length of the string str. So we have strcpy, parameters str1 and str2. This copies the value of str2 to str1. Note, you can use the assignment operator on initialization, but use this function to assign values to a string outside initialization. Okay? So don't use an assignment operation in the non-initialization. Next one is the strcut. So also 2 parameters. This appends the value of str2 to str1. So cat means a concatenation. Then next is strcmp or compare. So this compares the value of str1 and str2. So it returns 0 if both are equal and any integer otherwise. Then we have strchr, the str and a character. So it finds the first occurrence of the character chr from the string str. So it returns the substring of the str that begins with the first occurrence of chr. So it returns null if chr is not found. Then we have here the strrchr. It is like strchr, but it finds the last occurrence of chr instead. Then we have strstr. It is like strchr, but it finds the first occurrence of a string str2 from the string str1. It returns null if str2 is not found. So there are also many functions about strings, but we will only discuss these functions. So you have here 7, okay? But we might also need other functions that are from other libraries. So here are some. So we have here the A2I str. So it is in stdlib.h. So it returns the integer value of the string str. We have also the A2f. So stdlib also.h returns the double value of the string str. We have also in stdlib.h the isDigit and the isAlpha. The isDigit returns if the character CHR is a digit, it returns true and false otherwise. The isAlpha, it returns true if the character CHR is a letter and false otherwise. Then we have here the ctype.h library. We have isUpper and isLower. So isUpper, it returns true if the character CHR is an uppercase letter and false otherwise. Then the isLower, it returns true if the character CHR is a lowercase letter and false otherwise. So that's the end of our lesson in string. So don't forget your assignment number 9.